Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hey everyone, welcome to Madhura's Recipe. Today I am making Tawa Chicken. Tawa Chicken is a kind of chicken sukka and it tastes super delicious with freshly roasted aromatic spices. So in a bowl here I have got 250 grams of chicken that's been washed really good, and this is a chicken with bones. Now in this I am going to add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Let's mix this everything together. So if you are watching this Madhura's recipe for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that every time I post new recipe you will always be the first to get informed about that. Once this chicken gets very good coating of lemon juice and ginger garlic paste, just cover this and allow it to sit for at least half an hour. And for this tawa chicken we need to dry roast some whole spices. First goes in a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 black peppercorns, 1 Javitri, 2 green cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, small piece of cinnamon, and dried red chilies. Just go ahead and saute this over medium heat just until they are lightly heated. We don't need to wait until it change its color. We need to just dry roast until nice aromas start to release out from this whole masala. And after about 3 to 4 minutes of dry roasting this khada masala, let's take a blender jar and transfer this. Now let's grind this to make this into a fine powder. Superb. It smells so good. And look at that. This masala is ready. So for making tawa chicken, so now when chicken is marinated, fresh spices are also ready, and also here I have preheated 2 tablespoons of oil into a tawa. Since this is a tawa chicken, now in this goes in this marinated chicken first. Superb. Now I am going to fry this chicken in this oil for about 4 to 5 minutes, or until the color of this chicken changes and it gets that nice transparent white color. So after 5 minutes of frying, let's go ahead and add in finely chopped onion in this chicken, 1 tomato diced. Mix this everything together and cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes. So after about 5 minutes of frying this onion, next thing that goes in is this freshly ground masala. Lovely. Add in salt just for taste. Give it a mix. So good. This chicken has got awesome coating of this freshly ground spices. I will go ahead and add in just a tablespoon of water so that this masala doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and will continue to cook until this chicken turns nice and tender. Alright, so over here I have cooked this chicken for another 10 minutes on medium heat, and you can see it has turned nice and tender, and all the chicken pieces have got awesome coating of this masala. Superb. Lovely. Just add in half teaspoon of garam masala. Now that's optional. Mix that in and cook this for just about a minute. Awesome. And now here, this tawa chicken is all ready. Just a final step, add in finely chopped coriander leaves. Lovely. Now you can serve this with chapati. It goes even well with fulka, naan or paratha, or just as a side dish with some rice. So I hope you liked watching today's recipe. For more such quick and interesting recipes, please subscribe, and also you can join us on our social handles like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, also. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.